Alright. I got a new birthday present. What's up? An electric lawnmower. Ego. Pretty awesome. Going for this boy. There's your bag. There's your charger. There. That's your battery. 56 volts, baby. 7.5 amp hours. MOZO for 1 hour. Let's see if it's got any charge. Ow, yep. Instruction books, bag. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Wow, they sure are packing good. Let me get this out of here. There we go. Boom. Lift the handle up. Boom. There we go. We need that. Oh, that's, I like the highest setting. That's not bad either. Slip the battery in the charger here. The charging indicator LED stop alternating and will shine continuously. The power indicator on the battery pack will go out. Wait until the cooling fan stops to remove the battery pack from the charger. Basically, wait for the cooling fan to stop and then you're done. I'm going to put the rear bagger together now. Alright, let's figure out this bagger. Do we need to read the instructions? Hell no. This looks pretty obvious. I've got some little snap tubes that go in here. No problem. Pretty freaking obvious. Snap there. Snap these in. Over the old wire there. Done. Our battery charge coming. Oh, we got 3 bars. We got 3 bars. Isn't this exciting? Only one problem. I got plenty of grass to mow, but I just got through downpouring. Version, by the way. Self-propelled. That's where your battery goes. I'll show you that in a minute. You got the one lever for all 4 wheels. Pretty cool. Handles go down very nicely. Compact. Swings over. If you ever want to put it away like that. Yep. It is done charging. From the factory, it was probably at a storage capacity of like they store them probably about 75%, 60%. But so it ran about 20 minutes or whatever and charged up to 100%, and then the fan stopped just as advertised. All right, if that was attached to the wall, you could do it with one hand. I guess I gotta hold it. Okay, there. Okay, there's your battery. She's ready to go. Let's see what it sounds like in the garage. Press this button and then pull the handle back. There it is. I'm inside here and I can still talk, so that's a good sign. Let's see how the self-propelled thing works. You just pull this. Oh yeah. It just takes off by itself. You don't need the blade running with the self-propelled. That's cool. Self-propelled is a different motor altogether. It's a little slow for me. You can push it, and there's very little resistance to pushing it. That's the good news. My gas-powered lawnmower, you can't push it. It's heavy, and you can't really push it very easily because it's self-propelled and it's all gear-driven, and you really can't back up with it. So this thing, this is what I was hoping for. This is the best part. You can back up. let's go compare the sound of the electric to the ICE motor. ICE, as you know, is internal combustion engine. There's the battery. Pretty cool. It's all rubberized, durable. Cooling vents. And it's got a button tells you when it's charged. Sweet. You just plop it in there. She's ready to go. What's this button do? It's got headlights. You mow that sucker at night. It's got a battery status indicator. Very good. Handle. 21-inch self-propel. It's kind of lightweight. It's kind of plasticky, I guess. The grass is wet. It doesn't matter. I want to see what it sounds like. You gotta choke this. Honda 5.5 horse mower. One of the better engines, I think. Starts up great, runs great. But you still have to choke it. You still have to pull this down. You still have to start it like this. Engine a lot more than the electric, and the electric is a lot closer, so pretty quiet. What I found out is, I'm sure you can hear me talking, even though it's still running. But if you try to back up before you let go of self-propelled engage lever, the wheels kind of lock and they stay locked. Even though you let go of it, you got to stop moving for a second. You try to go forward, and you back up, now they're locked. I'm not sure why it would do that. It's probably a speed control thing. That might be annoying, but I guess I'll get used to it. Make sure and let go of the self-propel lever before I back up. But it's pretty sweet other than that. It's obviously not quite as powerful. It's not 5.5 horsepower, but I think it'll do the job. There's some pretty heavy grass over here. Let's see what it sounds like. You got your side discharge. It simply goes in like this. Got a little, pretty simple. Little tab there on the bottom. You got your plug. You just shove in there like that. That's for mulching, obviously. And you got your standard bagger, which you put on these little hookies here on top. And that's done, and that's that. What's this do? What's this do? Duh. I just didn't, I man-read the instructions, I guess, as they say. So when you do this, see now, that's full speed, that cooks. And that's low speed, and that's slow. Beautiful. Duh. Now it's even better. That was one of my only complaints. Okay, so let's try mowing this. not completely silent, but you can hear. Bag seems to hold quite a bit of grass. Doesn't look like a huge bag, but the lawn was thick, and it really throws it back nice and evenly. I like this nice big opening. It empties very easily too. I'm going to show some video of mulching. Okay, I just did a bunch of mulching, from 4 inches to 2 inches, and did great. It doesn't even look like much sticks to it. That's the other thing. You can't tip a gas lawnmower over like that without getting oil all in the spark plug, and it makes a mess of everything, right? It's a great thing. Fresh cut. Got about a 7/8 inch branch here. Let's see what that looks like. Thin part didn't slow it down at all. Alright, let's see what happens when I do the thick part. Wow. I didn't even hear it slow down, did you? That's impressive. So, in conclusion, the variable speed is nice. Let me see if you can hear this. I'll lift it up. See, there's slow, medium, high. With this one, there's a delay, watch. From now, just a slight boom booms. It's almost 4th of July. Bottom line, the grass, the lawn looks pretty nice. I did a good job. I just went over this whole thing. Some of it was thick. Pluses and minuses, obviously, it's very quiet. Quiet. Very quiet, that's a big plus. It's nice and lightweight and easy to move around. Obviously, you'll never have to change the oil. You gotta check. It spills all over. For the air filter. For the spark plug. You don't have to pull start it. You just always think it's a winner. Okay. What do we do after we mow the lawn? Blue moon time. Anyways, thanks for watching. Feel free to comment below. Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down over there, and subscribe, share with your friends. What the hell? I think it's a winner.